So welcome back to my channel, Epic Tours, where it's all about fun, food, travel, adventure, while being able to work remotely, especially if you have a kid. So today we are actually going to be visiting Worthy Park Estate. So I had to stop right here just so that you could catch some of the view before we go. But before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, all of the above. So I'm going to give you just a few seconds to do that. So take your time and then we begin.
Of the three main ones that we go here. Steve, what's the name of one you're trying?
Virgin. Virgin Cake.
So why it has that name though?
The Virgin Cake.
Because nothing
right?
happened
So
to
it's first new. So as she was saying, she first get a little slight sweetness, salty, bitter. It's an acquired taste. Let me say that.
I'm trying to acquire.
As I said, it's different from the one you get in the supermarket. And this is a great, it's the best quality as well.
This is better than the one I tasted though. The one I tasted I couldn't even swallow. That medicine.
See?
This is actually good there. Compare. This is rum punch. This is really nice. Really? That's what my chef did. Yeah.
Tastes nice.
And then you
Walking halfway the tour.
You can't taste it. More alcohol than punch. It's good.
Which was released in 2017, 40%, and it's an unaged rum. That means it did not go inside the barrels. Alright? And it's a blend of 3 marks of rum to give you this rum. Use it to make your daiquiri. You can also mix with Coke as well. Right? So to the left of your mat, you're going to remove your glass covers. Alright? You're going to take your glass up by the stem. You're going to first take a look at the color of the rum. You're going to see that it's nice, clean, and clear. Now take glass to your nose and inhale. Now on that first note, you're going to pick up some hints of more like tropical notes. Now swirl the liquid in the glass like this. Swirl. And release some of the other notes. Inhale. Now you're going to get some grassy notes. And little hints of molasses as well.
Right.
Now go ahead and taste. Well, this is actually 40%. You should brace for the second one that you have coming up. It's at 63. Alright, so this is not as sharp as the one that you have coming up next.
This one is very like smooth is the word.
Yeah, it is smooth. So this is rum bar silver.
It's smooth, but then it gives you like an after.
The after, yes, definitely.
Nice beat.
Alright.
But I like this.
Yeah, this is my
and I
favorite.
like this one.
Me too.
This one I can, because usually I don't just drink like just by itself like this, but this
Yeah.
actually can be had like